Hey guys, welcome to the David Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to make a quick video explaining to you about fast and free shipping on eBay. I recently started selling on eBay, and then I had basically a question that popped up in my selling type of place where you click on your eBay, all your items listed for sale, and it said to improve your chances of qualifying for fast and free shipping. There was like a link. It said that I would actually sell 11% faster. So I went ahead and clicked the link, and then this is the next page I actually got. It says improve your chances of qualifying for fast and free shipping, and it selected 55 of my listings, and then it said same day or 1 day handling along with free shipping can improve your chances of qualifying for fast and free shipping, can increase your sales, basically. So I did that, and then this is basically what I got next. Confirm and submit. I submitted all my listings, and it says disclaimer, fees are estimates only. Actual fees may vary due to special offers. Well, not really important there. And then basically it says you have successfully submitted your listings. All of your listings were submitted successfully. 55 listings were submitted successfully, and then it says total fees for the listings. But here's the thing, guys. None of my listings have actually physically changed. I was actually charging for shipping at the time of submitting this, and I went back to my store. Nothing has changed. It's been like over 24 hours. So in case you guys are running into the same question, and you submitted it and you kind of like wondering like, what is this? Well, wonder no more. I just gave an eBay a call. I talked to them, and it said that in order for you to qualify for fast and free shipping on eBay, then you actually need to select expedited shipping. So if we could go back here, it says right here, improve your chances of qualifying, same day or 1 day handling. So same day or one day handling. So that's pretty much a key question here, or I guess an answer to this question. So basically you would need to have expedited shipping, and I actually wanted to make sure that they could confirm it. And I said, what kind of services would you need to select to actually qualify for expedited shipping? And they said, as long as it's expedited, service, and you do it like in 1 day. But I know this to be more cost, I guess, to ship something. Not only that you're sending something for free, now you're sending something that's actually expedited shipping, which costs a lot more. And of course, once you list that item and you're selecting what service you're going to be providing, you go down the list, and it does have all the fees of expedited shipping and stuff, and that could really add up and could really cost you a lot of money. So basically, guys, if you're trying to qualify for fast and free shipping, you would need to send, expedited shipping, which then would really take away from your profits. And actually, if you listed the item wrong for the wrong type of price, the expedited shipping in itself can cost you more to ship than what you're selling the item for. So ultimately, it might not actually be of any value to you to actually sell for fast and free for certain items. Now, for others, where the item, let's say, maybe like costs like $1,000, and to ship it maybe costs like $300, maybe it makes sense. But if you're selling like an item for like $15, and then the shipping itself is going to cost you $30-40 for expedited, like 1 day handling pretty much, well, then it might actually not be worth it. So I really don't know about this, but in case I actually learn a little bit more about it, I'll make some videos. In case you guys are selling on eBay and you are using fast and free, then feel free to actually describe this in the comments below for others to try to understand this a little bit better, because I'm actually trying to learn a little bit about it and share my knowledge, and this is what it's all about. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and some other how-to videos. Thanks for watching.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.